Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm going to be sharing a haul for you today. I haven't done one of these in quite a while. It's going to be a haul from both Hobby Lobby and HomeGoods. I went this past week and had a lot of fun shopping, and I found some really fun things. So I wanted to share it with you guys in case you want to go out and try to find them yourself. So let's go ahead and start at Hobby Lobby first. So I actually went there looking for something for my mom's birthday, and I ended up getting a lot of stuff for myself too. The first thing being these adorable yard pinwheels. I picked up two of these. I absolutely fell in love with them. They have them in red and they have them in blue. They do spin, but you really have to have a good wind going in order to spin. I have already put one out in my backyard, and I've only ever seen it spin one time, and it was really blowing that day. So, but regardless, I just thought they were so cool. They stand about, I don't know, probably 2 feet tall or so, and I just thought they were super cool. So I think I bought these, I think they were $9.99 each, so I think I bought them for, if I remember correctly. So I thought they were adorable, and I just had to pick them up. I'll probably use them for 4th of July for sure, but I'll probably use them somewhere in my backyard all year round. I don't know if you remember, or have seen my backyard garden, but I've got a vintage red bicycle, a red wagon, and then a red tricycle, all kind of in my garden area. So I think these will look really cute in the garden as well. So very inspired by my mother. She always kind of has like a patriotic theme going on in her garden decor. So I don't know. I just thought I loved them. I love pinwheels anyways. So as soon as I saw those, I was like, oh, I have to get these. And speaking of gardens, I picked up another item. This was originally $24.99. I think I picked it up for $14.99. And it's a cute little rabbit, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's so adorable. So I'm going to put him either on my patio or somewhere in the garden. I'm not quite sure where, but I think he would look really cute sitting next to like a pot of flowers, something like that. That's kind of what I'm going for. So I just think he's adorable. I love rabbits. So this guy just had to come home with me. All right, so the next item I picked up is something that I've looked at many, many times, various versions of it. But I've never ever bought one, and they are like chargers for plates for setting your table. I've almost bought them multiple times, but I just never did. Well, I saw these, you guys, and I just had to get them. There was no question whatsoever that I had to get these. I think they are just awesome. I picked them up on sale, so they were $2.39 each, which I thought was a pretty good price. And I picked up 4 of them. I probably should have picked up 5. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I think I meant to pick up 5, but I ended up picking up only 4. So I'm going to have to go back and see if they've got another one, so that I will have enough for the whole family. But I just love these. I think they're so cool. Makes me think of the summer and picnics, and I just love it so much. So I'm probably going to use these in my kitchen. That's probably why I didn't pick up another one. So I'll probably only use 2 of them on the table, and then I'll probably use the other ones for like a backer kind of plate for, I don't know, something else somewhere in the kitchen. But anyways, I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. I love the buffalo print. I'm loving that a lot lately. And of course, it's in my beloved red, so I had to pick them up. Alright, so I have one more thing that I have to pick, that I picked up. I got this on sale also. I can't remember how much it was with the discount, but it was originally $14.99 and I paid like 40% off. And it is this adorable kitchen timer. Look at this. It looks like a little headlight or something for, a vintage car. I am in love with this. They didn't have it in red, and they didn't have it in like a white color. So I picked this one, which I think it's a gorgeous color, this little teal color. I can't remember exactly what colors they had in them, but I think there was like a dark navy blue one, and this one, and maybe, I can't remember. I want to say orange, but I don't know if that's right. But I just thought it was super cool, and I'm loving that. I think it is so much fun, and yeah, I love it. So, not that I will use it probably very often, but it's a cute little decor piece for sure. So that was what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And then a couple days later, I stopped in at HomeGoods because a new humongous HomeGoods and TJ Maxx combination store opened near me. and probably a couple months ago, and I was in there once and it was too busy. I couldn't even shop in there. So I stopped back this last week and I picked up a few things. I was hoping for like more dishes and like decorative items, but I really didn't like any of their decorating stuff. But I did get a lot of things for the kitchen, so that was kind of a good thing. Let's see. The first thing I picked up was this brush. It's called a palm brush, and it's bamboo and made with natural bamboo. It's by Greenberry, and it was $3.99, which I thought was a really good price. And I really love how it fits in my hand. It's like perfect. And the bristles are nice and stiff. I love this kind of brush. Right now I've just got like a plastic kind of Rubbermaid-ish kind of one that I bought at the not the thrift store, just the grocery store. But this one is so much prettier. So loving this. So I thought I would give that a try. And then there was another one that I loved that I just couldn't pass up either. This one was $4.99. This one's slightly different. It's got the wood handle on it, but then it's got the darker bristles. These bristles aren't quite as stiff. And this is by the Kind Company. And it has a little stand that it sits on as well. Under here, you can see that. So I'm pretty excited about that. So now I have two of them. One of them, I'm going to figure out which one I want to keep in my kitchen. And the other one is going to go into the bathroom. And it'll be used for scrubbing down the shower stalls and sinks and that kind of thing. So loving that. And then I picked up something for my husband too. This is by Cuisinart. It was $3.99, and it's a silicone bottle brush, which he can use for his coffee cups. His hands are always too big to clean out the inside of his coffee cup, so I always have to do it. And there's one coffee cup that is too narrow for me to get my hand in. So I've been needing to pick up one of these, I just never have. And I thought $3.99 was a very good price to get that taken care of. So the problem is, I wish they didn't make it quite so long. I mean, this sucker is like really, really long. So I don't know where I'm even going to store it. That's the problem. But I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Anyway, so he is super excited about that. I shared that with him. He's like, get that sucker out. I want to use it right away. I'm like, I have to haul it first. So he's had to wait a couple days, which he's not very happy about. But that's all right. All right, so I have one more thing to share with you, and I'm super excited about this one. I think it's going to come in so handy for the summertime. It is just a little plastic tray. It's by Nautica, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. It was $7.99. I mean, normally these plastic trays don't really have any heft, like are pretty lightweight. This one, it's got some heft to it. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm loving the handles on the side. They're very comfortable. And of course, you guys, I'm absolutely loving the print. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it, but I want to be able to use it to take, you know, snacks and drinks out to the back patio, that sort of thing. But I also want to use it for decor. I think it will look so pretty. It's probably going to be too big to put up in my open cupboards because this is a pretty big tray. So it might end up going on like the counter or something, like behind the coffee makers or something like that. But regardless, I'm super excited to have found it. I think it is so cool. They had a lot of really cool like outdoor stuff and a whole bunch of beverage containers. You know, with the little spigot on the bottom. They're like bazillions of them in all shapes and sizes and colors. I was very, very, very tempted, but I just don't see myself using those. So I don't know. Maybe I should use those. I don't know. But if you're looking for something like that, that's a little bit more unique, definitely go to HomeGoods because there's a ton of them there right now. So, all right, so that is my Hobby Lobby and HomeGoods haul. I felt like I found some really cool things. Fun things for the kitchen and to use, and some decorative items, and then some very useful items as well. So I always like when there's a good mix of items, if you know what I mean. So I would love to know down in the comments which of the items I picked up was your favorite, or if you've been to the stores lately, what is it you have found for your summer decor that you picked up that you're absolutely in love with. It doesn't have to be at Hobby Lobby or at HomeGoods. Just something that you've bought for your summer decor? Let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye now.